Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up organizing deductions for rental properties with Evernote beginner guides. Open Evernote on your computer or mobile device. Create a new notebook specifically for your rental properties. Label this notebook clearly so it's easy to identify later. Inside the new notebook, create a note titled Deductions Overview. In this note, list common tax deductions for rental properties. Include items like mortgage interest, property taxes, and repairs. Create a separate note for each type of deduction. For example, create a note for repairs and maintenance. In this note, document any expenses related to repairs. Record the date, description, and amount of each expense. Use tags for easy reference, such as repairs and maintenance. Next, create a note for utilities. Document all utility expenses in this note. Record details similarly, with date, description, and amount. Now, move on to depreciation. Create a note that summarizes how depreciation works for your properties. List the property's purchase prices and depreciation schedules if available. Create a note for insurance. Document any insurance premiums paid for your rental properties. Record all related expenses in this category. Consider setting reminders for recurring expenses. Use Evernote's reminder feature for monthly or yearly recurring costs. Periodically review your notes to ensure accuracy. At the end of the year, compile all your deduction notes. This will help when preparing your taxes. Export your notes or print them out for easy access during tax season. Utilize Evernote's search function to quickly find specific expenses. Stay organized and keep your deductions clear and concise. This will simplify your tax preparation process in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step